So friends, this is a kitchen timer. The countdown is for 60 minutes or 1 hour. Is a visual timer. You can also use it for the classroom teaching or office meeting or any other thing where you need the timer. So this is simple packing and comes with the eggshell. This is a egg-shaped metal timer. So there are marking on the side of it. Just rotate it, and when the time will come, it will ring. So it's pretty simple to use, and it's point to 0 and turn like wherever you want for the timing, and then you need to put it so that the ring will come when the time is over. So it's like a handheld size, it's portable, easy to use and easy to carry.